नमस्कार मित्रमंडळ. Good job. No. क्या हाल है? You are really crazy and always up to funny content. That's too virgin. That's very personal. I won't tell you. Bye. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. For all those who don't know me, this is Mrinal Mungi. Sorry for being inactive because I was actually going through a lot. But I was active on Instagram and I was constantly updating you guys on everything. So if you don't follow me on Instagram, just please go follow me on Instagram. It's Mrinal_Mungi. Mungi. Cheeky. First assumption about me. You hate Desi guys. No, I don't hate Desi guys. It's just not my type to date. Like, bro, I'm also Desi when it comes to my culture. So that's false. I don't hate Desi guys. That's a misconception. No, I love Desi guys. I'm also Desi. ओके. तुला जेवण बिलकुल बनवता येत नाही. मला सगळं जेवण येतं करता. म्हणजे आय कॅन कुक ऑल द भाज्या, पिझ्झा, बर्गर, वॉट एव्हर यू वॉन्ट. लाईक आय कॅन कुक एव्हरीथिंग. दॅट्स फॉल्स अगेन. Lots of love to you. I'm doing great. Thank you. You get a positive vibe always from you. Thank you. Lots of love. Thank you so much. You are secretly engaged. No, I'm not. I mean, I'm not. Why would I? Bro, I'm not engaged. I'm not even dating anyone. I'm like the lonest, akeli person on this earth. Just kidding, but I'm not secretly engaged. Why would I be secretly engaged? मतलब अगर मेरी engagement होती या ऐसा कुछ भी होता तो I would be like very open and ऐसे सबको चिल्ला के बताती कि ये मेरा बंदा. No, I'm not. Okay, this is false. You entertain everyone a lot. That's true. Thank you. That's just my nature. I mean, thank you. I take it as a compliment. I'm so shy. You are dating a guy starts from letter A. I'm not. That's not true. I don't know why people on Instagram spy so much about my life. But I'm not dating anyone. And if I was, I would tell you. Sorry. Yeah. But I'm not dating. That's false. You expect too much out of me. That's true. I don't, nature. What are you saying? I don't expect anything out of anyone. I'm just too simple. You're a moron. That's true. Just kidding. That's not true. Slap someone in public. I haven't slapped anyone in public. अभी तक तो वेळ नाही आली म्हणून मी केलं नाही. पण मी करू शकते. Preemptive. Yes, like I get a lot of intuitions if something bad or good is going to happen. So yeah, I'm preemptive. True. You live in Dubai. No, I live in Pune. I mean, I don't live in Dubai, sadly. I would love to, but no, I don't. Give me a house. I would. Thank you. You're Janvi Kapoor. Do I look like Janvi Kapoor? Thank you. You make lovely pancakes. That's so not true. I can't make pancakes. Can someone teach me how to make pancakes? Don't live on others' assumption. Oh bhai. No, but it's a trend which I'm following and that's true. Like you shouldn't live on others' assumption. Like if you listen to people and live on people's assumptions, you are no one. Are you virgin? That's very personal. I won't tell you. Bye. You travel a lot. I used to, but not in this COVID anymore. I want to, like I wish to, but guys, stay home, stay safe because you shouldn't get out. But yeah, that's true. I travel. I love to travel a lot. Like I'm not like those people who will be like, no, I prefer to stay home or something like that. I love to travel. You are a secret millionaire. माझ्याकडे पैसे नाही आहेत गाईज. जर माझ्याकडे खूप पैसे असते, इफ आय हॅड अ लॉट ऑफ मनी, वाय डू आय नॉट हॅव अ ड्रायव्हर फॉर माय कार? वाय डू आय हॅव टू वरी अबाउट माय ट्युशन फीज? वाय I'm not rich. It's just my parents are, and I'm not. I mean, I earn, but soon I will be rich, and that day I'll be like, I'm rich, I'm rich, I'm rich. Listen, I'm not rich. I'm not a millionaire. Assumptions I'm taking. You're cute. Thank you. That's true. You don't have ass. Okay, I don't have ass. Yeah, I don't have ass. That's sad. You're 25. Do I look like 25? Like the other day I tried Omegle and people were there like, you're 13, you're 17, do I look like 25? Now I'm 25. What are you saying? I'm just 21. I just like watching you. Please make YouTube videos. I am doing one for you. Followers like you, I love you. You fart in your blanket. I don't. I actually explained this story on Instagram previously. It's just the story behind this you fart in blanket is this girl Pranita Pinnamma Raju, who's my best friend. She came at my place once and she wasn't giving my blanket back. She was sleeping in that. Like she came for a sleepover. And I was like, give me back my blanket. But she wasn't giving. So I was like, listen Pranita, you know what? I fart in my blanket. And that's how she like, lelo. So like that's false. I don't fart in my blanket, guys. Well, after talking to you till now, what I feel about you is you are so amazing, awesome, and you are just a perfect girl. तुम्ही ऐकलं का? काय बोलला तो? Thank you so much. Thank you so much. That means a lot to me. And please keep supporting and following. That's it for this video, and I'm just too excited. I mean, I'm always excited. But thank you for watching this video. Please like, share, and subscribe. And good news! 10k soon on my Instagram. Please follow me there. If you don't follow me, it's Mrinal_Mungi. Please subscribe to my channel. And love.